Hi guys, if you're watching this, it is time to unbox our spring FabFitFun for the year of 2022. I do have Roxy here with me. She definitely thinks that this is a bark box, and I don't know what I'm gonna tell her once, because I only signed up for 6 months of bark box, and I don't know what I'm gonna tell her when it runs out. But anyways, I'm sorry, Cooper. I love you anyway, but you don't need, honestly, you didn't need 6 months of bark box. We needed like 1, maybe 2. But I digress. Let's go ahead and dive on in. I picked everything in this box a hot minute ago, so I'm sure I'll remember it as I open it up, but a lot of this is going to be a surprise to me. So if you're not aware, FabFitFun is a seasonal box subscription. It's quarterly. You get kind of technically seasonally themed items. Depending on what plan, you can choose some of your items, all your items. I shouldn't say all your items. Some of them they still pick for you, I believe. I don't actually remember anymore. I don't know why you're watching this other than just to watch me kind of ramble on about things. Anyways, moving on. Each box does come with a catalog / I think for some people they've made this kind of digital, but I used to like the catalog because it used to give me all the information about all of my products and what categories, and then I could be like, oh yeah, that's why I picked this product in this category. But now it just has, you know, boring stuff like cocktail recipes and other things. So I really feel like there's no point to the catalog anymore, other than there is usually a spoiler for next season's box, but we'll move on. I do have some cute stickers. Look at those. Oh, I love this one that says Kickstart Your Happy. That's cute. And then, oh, I did get an add-on to this box, which is actually right here on top. I got this beanie. I'll take it out of the bag. I just thought it was too cute. I needed it. I think it was only like $5. But look at that. Like how, like I don't want to ruin my hair, but I low-key want to put it on right now. And if I wasn't going to film 2 other videos today, I'd put it on right now. But anyways, look how cute that is. Now let's go ahead and look at the box and see what is in here, because I honestly do not remember. So this is the first thing that is popping out to me. It is London Town Cuticle Cream. It is a light Luxe cream infused with powerful probiotics and rice water to help hydrate dehydrated cuticles. And, oh, it's a pen. That's right. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and open this up and like maybe try it on my cuticles right now if I can, because my hands, they be ratchet. Like, I work outside for a living and it's just, it's not a good time. Like, I'm kind of over this winter nonsense. Not that we really get winter here in Texas like you guys do in the other states. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And then from what I understand, I take a cap off and then I just press down and apply it to my cuticles. Maybe? I don't know. I probably should have actually read the directions more. Maybe. I'm gonna just keep clicking until I see product and I might regret this. Get on the cuticle. Oh god, oh god. I see product now. Don't panic. Maybe I should have finished reading the directions because this feels like a lot. But maybe I'm just gonna do it on my cuticles right here because I feel like this is more than enough to go around. Or either that, I just made it go, like, because of all the clicks, I just made it go super hardcore. But yeah, anyways. Enjoy that product. I do vaguely remember picking that product. Moving on. Oh, there are some cards that are usually on the top of the box, but it looks like they moved to the side of the box. So we'll go over those real quick. This first one is for Bright Sellers, and it's a little scratch off gift card type deal. Now I have done Bright Sellers. I enjoy Bright Sellers. I wish I drank wine more often, because if I did, we'd probably be doing regular Bright Sellers unboxings. If you are interested in Bright Sellers, I did do an unboxing video, like, oh god, I think it was pre-pandemic, or maybe it was early pandemic. I'll link it. You'll see a little thing. Anyways, enjoyed it. Just don't drink enough wine to justify it. This next one is for a coupon for FabFitFun. This next one is for 17 free meals with HelloFresh. I feel like these deals only keep getting better and better to the point where I probably should try HelloFresh, but usually there's a cap with it. How many boxes are these 17 meals spread over? It says it is based on a total discount that shall apply over a 6-week period of a minimum order of 3 meals for 4 people per week. Okay, well, either way, cool, enjoy it. I used to do Blue Apron a long time ago and I stopped doing it because money. Anyways, let's go ahead and move on to the next item I am looking at is the Winky Lux Lip Oil. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Let's see. It says it's high shine, has a glossy finish, keeps lips hydrated and nourished with avocado, sunflower, olive, and jojoba. I feel like it's a jojoba oils. And yeah, let's go ahead and see what this looks like. Now, I do have a tinted chapstick on today, which honestly looks very similar to a lipstick I own. So I'm probably not going to put it over. I might put it over. I don't know. We'll see what happens when I get it out of the box. Struggling. Okay, this is very pretty, and I didn't realize there's like little gold stars in there. Okay, you know what? I'm a sucker. We'll put this on. If it ruins my makeup, so be it. Okay, this smells very good. Ooh, she's cute. Ooh, girl, who is that? Who is that? That ain't me. Okay, another top dollar product. This next thing, I don't remember what this is. Oh, actually, I lied. I do remember what this is. So, one of the options was a 3-month subscription to a yoga app, plus like a little acupressure pillow. And I'd seen the mats associated with this, and I was like, I've been interested in trying the mats because they're supposed to be super great for pain relief. And I think some of y'all are gonna think I'm crazy, but there's all these little spikies and you rest your head, and at first it's supposed to be like, what is actually going on? But over time, your body then reacts to that pain with like tingly, happy feelings. And so I'm gonna have to try this out. But it did also come with a 3-month subscription to a yoga app, and I don't do enough yoga. I'm gonna try to make this I'm using this as hopefully an excuse to get back into yoga during the beginning of the pandemic. I really got into yoga. I was doing it multiple times every week. Stress mostly, but also my body was just very fatigued from when I was at work, when I wasn't working at home. And I needed that outlet to help stretch my muscles out, but also just, again, like I mentioned, for stress relief. And I really want to get back into yoga, even if it's just 10 minutes a day. So I'm going to check that app out, and I'll try to let you guys know if you're interested how that works out. Oh, I saw this bracelet. This is the next product. It is Mantra Band. And I loved this so much because I actually have this on the wall in my old studio, which is now currently our video game room. But it says, she believed she could, so she did. And I just love everything about that statement. I'm going to go ahead and put that on. Love that. I love that a lot. Moving on. I don't remember what this is. It doesn't say here. They're sunglasses. I feel like maybe they're a little youthful sunglasses. I feel like there's maybe they're cat eye. I don't quite remember. If I had the catalog with all the things in them, I could just look it up. But we'll go ahead and unbox these bad boys. Yeah, they were cat eye, and they cute. Oh God, I'm a sucker for a cute cat eye. So this is what they look like, and I'm gonna go ahead and put them on real quick. Oh, this is an aesthetic right here, and I love it. Who is she? Who is that? Love that. I always love fun sunglasses. If we were going on a cruise anytime soon, I would be so ready for that cruise with these sunglasses. And then next product, I think if I remember correctly, it's a little silk robe, satin robe. And you know how much of a sucker I am for a floral print, so we'll go ahead and put this on. I'm just gonna put it on over my clothes. But I don't really have like a summer robe, and I saw this and I was like, maybe this will fit the bill. I have a nice fluffy, actually several fluffy winter robes now, but I don't have like a nice light summer robe. Very cute. The length on this is very good. I don't know why, but this is making Roxy excited for some reason, and I don't know why. She's like, what is that, Mom? I really like this. This is a very cute summer robe. Hi. Do you approve? Roxy approves. Now we do have at least one more product in here, maybe a couple. Nope, just the last one. And this last one is the Earth Harbor Glow Juice Refining Enzyme Mask with red seaweed and fruit enzymes. So I'm pretty sure this is just a clay mask. It says it gently resurfaces, soothes, hydrates, refines, and clarifies. It's a purple paradise. This powerful, fast-acting HAA, BHA gel, it's a gel mask. Naturally resurfaces and cools, hydrates, and firm skin with red seaweed, fruit enzymes, white willow bark, and aloe leaf juice to reveal greater clarity, look of improved skin features and tone, and a more youthful glow, all without irritating your skin. So this is what it looks like. I do kind of want to open this bad boy up because I think, if I remember the picture correctly from when I chose this, it was a fun color. And I'm not going to lie, color does a lot for me. It was a fun color. Look at that fun color. Isn't that pretty? Anyways, that is the last thing in my spring 2022 FabFitFun box. If you enjoyed this video, please consider doing all the things that make the YouTube algorithm more likely to suggest my video to other people, such as liking, sharing, subscribing, commenting, and turning on that notification bell. And stay safe, stay happy, stay warm out there. And yeah. Mwah.